welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make a braided wig. So if you guys want to see how I shape this look, please continue watching. Going to be using the pre-installed lace closure on a wig cap. This is pre-made, guys, 4x4 closure cap. This is unprocessed, 100% human hair. It has actually pre-made, guys. I didn't have to sew the closure on the top right here. Okay, so this is a plus. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I was like, yes, sis. It has an elastic band in the back. Okay, it has one comb in the back and it has two combs in the front. All right, guys, so I'm going to be using this FREETRESS braiding hair, and this is 28 inches. This is in color 4. I wanted to do something that was very close to the hair itself, you know, the closure part right there. That's why I went with number 4. I didn't want to color the hair or anything like that. I just wanted to do the natural color, okay? So that is why I'm using color number 4 right now. I'm actually using 2 packs of the braiding hair. I'm going to be using a needle and a thread, guys. I prefer using a straight needle, but you can use a curved needle if you want to. Place the thread on the needle, and then I'm just going to start sewing the braid on the wig cap. That's exactly what I'm doing. Very, very easy. Just wanted to do something that's gonna save you time, but it's easy and it actually looks very, very good. Okay, sis? So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna sew each braid at a time. And then once you're done, you're just going to, you know, sew and then tie a little knot at the end, you know, tie a little knot. That way it's really nice and secure. Exactly the way I'm doing. That's the way you tie the knot. I usually tie about 2-3 knots. That way, you know, I'm really nice and secure. Part took me about, you know, 45 minutes, and then the braids on the top took me about another 45 minutes. So together, I would say this whole hairstyle took me about an hour and a half, you know, and it's very easy because it's so quick. And then I'm going to show you the easy technique as well on how you can braid the top right there. So stick around, sis, stick around, okay? Stick around because this is getting juicy. Okay, this is really getting juicy. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to Rose G. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the love. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. To make our own wigs at home. That's what we're doing. Very easy, guys. Very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. If you do not know how to do box braids, sis, this right here is going to save you time, money, and everything. Okay? Actually the easiest way you can actually do a wig, guys, because otherwise you're gonna have to do like box braids, individual box braids on a wig, and it's gonna take you time. I actually have a video of how I did, you know, crochet box braids on a wig cap as well. So if you want, you can do that as well. But I just wanted to do something that's gonna save you time, but it's easy and it actually looks very, very good. Okay, sis? When you get to the top part right there, you want to come closer to the band as much as possible because you want it to be hiding, you know, you want it to look real, you want it to look realistic, you want it to look like your hair, right? top part, I'm going to be using number 4. This is expression here. This is 82 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the braid, one of the braids, and measure how long the braid is, because you want them to be really nice and uniform, right? And that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to cut whatever excess is remaining, and I'm going to feather the hair. I'm just gonna pull out a little bit of the baby hairs and then just, you know, trim them a little bit. That way I have some realistic baby hairs going on. And then I'm just gonna take my mousse just to help me separate the hair in the middle, just to make sure I really have a nice middle part or whatever. Just to make sure I have some really nice baby hairs, I'm just gonna pull them to the front and use some more mousse just to, you know, just to make sure they're laying all the way down a little bit. Once I apply the mousse to the hair, guys, I'm just going to separate the hair in the middle. And then I'm just gonna take my scrunchie to hold the side that I'm not braiding. I'm gonna have about 3 lines on each side, guys. Anyway, so once I'm done sectioning the hair, I'm just gonna take my clips and hold the hair, and then I'll start sectioning the boxes. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just gonna try to section the boxes and make them really nice and uniform or whatever. So I'm sectioning my hair exactly the way I'm doing. I'm just gonna do like a normal traditional braid, but you guys already know I have to give you the easiest way you can do box braids, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna start, you know, doing a little braid all the way down, not too long, you know, not all the way to the bottom, but you know, enough that it's not going to unravel. I'm going to separate my hair like I'm doing a normal box braid, a little piece and a bigger piece. Taking my crochet needle, placing it in, taking the hair, the little piece of the braiding hair, placing it on the hook, and then pulling it out exactly the way I'm doing, just like the way I did my previous braids, guys. And then I'm just gonna take the other piece, you know, the bigger piece, and go on the top right there and just start braiding down exactly the way I'm doing. Oh my gosh, very, very easy. I mean, if you are not able to do this on yourself, sis, I'm telling you, you can try it on a mannequin and it's going to be easy, okay? And once I get to the bottom right there, I'm just going to twist it, because that is how the crochet braids came. So they have like a braid all the way down, and then at the end it has like a twist, you know, just to make sure it's nice and secure. So I'm going to separate the hair again into 3, and then I'm going to do a plait long enough that the hair is not going to unravel. It's 100% human hair, so it's a little silky. So if I had to do it a little loose, it's going to unravel, guys. So that's why I did it a little, you know, a little tighter. And then I'm just going to take my crochet needle, placing it in, and then taking the little piece of the braiding hair, placing it on the crochet hook, and then pulling it out. And then I'm going to take the bigger piece of the braiding hair, placing it on the top, and then I'm just going to braid it down. Very, very easy, guys. So if you guys do not have the same, you know, closure wig cap that I have, you guys can do the normal way, getting a closure, 5x5, sewing it on a wig cap, and then doing the whole shebang that I'm doing right here. So you don't have to worry and be like, oh, Tupo, we don't have a pre-installed closure wig cap. Don't worry about it. You can actually do this on a closure and placing it on the wig cap, and this is going to come all the way through. Give this a try and make yourself a wig, sis. Okay, make yourself a wig, sis. That's all I'm doing right here. I'm just gonna separate the closure hair into 3, and then I'm just going to do a little plait, you know, a braid. And I'm taking my crochet needle, placing it in, taking the hair, the little piece of the braiding hair, placing it on the hook, and then pulling it out exactly the way I'm doing. Just gonna take the other piece, you know, the bigger piece, and go on the top right there and just start braiding down. get to the end, guys, you're just going to twist it and then tie a little knot. That way it's really nice and secure. And these are very long. These are 28 inches, so you guys don't have to make them this long. But you know, you're hungry. I was trying to be like, you guys, if I can do braids in like an hour and a half, I'm gonna make them long, okay? And then you're just gonna take your crochet needle, placing it in, taking the smaller piece of the braiding hair, placing it on the hook, and then pulling it out. And then you're just gonna take the bigger piece of the braiding hair, placing it on the top, and then braiding all the way down. Done braiding, guys, I'm just gonna take my mousse and make sure my hair is nice and laid. I'm just gonna take my hot water, you know, boiling water. Make sure you're careful, sis, because you don't want to burn yourself, okay? Take the braids from the closure that I made, okay, that I just did, and I'm just gonna place them in the hot water. That way they look really, really real, and they look like the crochet braids that I just, you know, installed as well. And that's about it. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my foundation and make sure, you know, the closure part, you know, the middle part looks really nice and realistic, sis. I'm just gonna take my Gatsubi and make sure I lay these baby hairs down. And baby, when I tell you, this style came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this wig right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling this. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style right here, because you can rock this any day, any weather, anytime, honey, all year round. You can rock this wig whenever you want. And you know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. I'm gonna add this gold accessories here and there, and baby, it took the style all the way to boop, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this hairstyle right here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I cannot believe we are at 300K. Woo! We made it. Oh my gosh, I am mind blown right now. Thank you so much, guys. And I am going to be telling you all about the giveaway in my next video, okay? So make sure you're looking out for that video right there so we can do the giveaway, the 300K giveaway. I'm going to give you all the instructions, and it's going to be open to anybody, okay, sis? Make sure you subscribe, though. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot believe we are here today. I am so happy. Happy Sunday. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.